Hello kids, today we are going to learn the present continuous tense. Do you know what that means? It's about things that are happening right now. What she is doing? She is drawing. Here, if a sentence starts with she, it, helping verb should be used is. Draw is the action word. With that, we are adding ing for present continuous tense. What he is doing? He is running. This sentence starts with e, so helping verb is used here. Run is the action word. With that, we are adding ing for present continuous tense. What they are doing? They are playing. Here, more than one person, so starting word should be they. Are is a helping verb here. Play is an action word. With that, ing is added for present continuous tense. Rule for present continuous tense. In a sentence, am, is, or is a helping verb. With that, action verb should be added with ing for present continuous tense. I am eating. This sentence starts with I, so helping verb should be am is used. Action verb eat. With that, ing is added for present continuous tense. Next sentence, she is reading. This sentence starts with she, so that helping verb is used here. Read is the action word. With that, ing is added for present continuous tense. They are singing. They is used for more than one person. Are is the helping verb here. Sing is the action word. With that, ing is added for present continuous tense. Now, it's a quiz time. See this? What he is doing? Yes, he is cooking. What they are doing? They are swimming. What she is doing? She is dancing. In a sentence, there is a use of helping verbs like am, is, are. Action verb should be added with ing for actions happening right now.